Guys, I wanted to show you this foot and ankle strengthener that I received from the company. I play tennis as well as ski, so my ankles do need some support as I age, as well as just like some extra strength. It comes with all these different pieces, so you can kind of adjust this how you want. And then you do balance on here and do different exercises to help strengthen and stretch out your ankles. It comes with the book. You get all these, like, these cork balls are also really nice. They're perfect for like getting into your foot and stretching it the proper way. So you can see how you leave one part flat and then you can go back and forth and it will stretch out and strengthen different parts of your ankle. It's all just adjustable based off of the Velcro and the different pieces. So however you put it, and then you can adjust how you need it. So I love that it comes with this instruction book to really like give you specifically what you're supposed to be doing, as well as all the different pieces to get to like help with your ankle mobility and strength. Definitely, if you need something like this, I would give this a try. I'm really happy the product is nicely made. The Velcro is very strong. I have had no problems with these pieces falling off, which would definitely be a concern of mine. They stick on so strongly that, it's not going to fall off. So you don't have to worry about that part of it. I can actually do it really quick with my foot. So you could see like it's not going to slip and fall. And I do like that it's helping my ankle a lot with strengthening it. Definitely give this a try.